The process of opening social media sites has started in Pakistan. The services of Facebook, Twitter and YouTube have started to be restored in Pakistan. The process of opening social media sites has started in Pakistan. The service of Facebook, Twitter and YouTube has started to be restored in Pakistan. PTA. The process of opening social media sites has started in Pakistan. According to PTA, the service of Facebook and YouTube has started to be restored in Pakistan. Social networking website Twitter has also started to be restored. PTAs accordingly, the brand ban service has been restored across the country. No directive to ban internet service has been received. Earlier, it was reported that internet services were restored across the country, but social media sites could not be fully restored. Users faced problems due to non-restored social media sites. According to the PTA spokesperson, the social media restoration instructions have not yet been received. The sites will be restored after the government instructions. It should be clear that after the arrest of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf chairman Imran Khan, there were violent protests across the country. Later, internet services were shut down on the directives of the Ministry of Home Affairs. While telecom and other companies and organizations expressed strong concerns over the suspension of internet services, some government leaders also opposed the move. According to media reports, Federal Planning Minister expressed concern over the shutdown of mobile internet in the cabinet meeting. In his statement on Friday, the federal minister said that due to the shutdown of mobile internet, the employment of millions of freelancers, people providing online services including cream and in-drive, bike and food delivery is being affected. Ahsan Iqbal said that due to the shutdown of mobile internet, the poor daily wage earners and the citizens benefiting from their services are facing problems. After Ahsan Iqbal's concerns, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif directed Federal Interior Minister Rana Sanalla to resolve the issue of blocking internet signals.